Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Guys, am I audible to you all? Just give me a thumbs up so we can start with the analysis session. I know you guys might be traveling back to your home place after doing the hard work for the prelims. You just get with the paper. How was it? The session is all about the insight about the paper. How was the paper? The difficulty level? What will be the expected cutoff? And everything we will be discussing in this session. The only thing is like there are 200 questions, and out of which we have 130 from law portion and 70 from GK, English, and all other portions. Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So we will be dealing all these things in this session. Initially, I will be looking for your response, how the paper was, what was your input about the paper, whether the paper was difficult, easy, moderate, because we have one more year vacancy for the West Bengal, that is 2024, and in that we have new criminal law. But in the vacancy of 2023, we have old criminal laws. We don't have to go for the new criminal laws, so that is a big thing. And then I can also say the advantage for you people that you have to utilize that advantage very properly. And I hope all of you have used it very properly, because new criminal laws, again, you have to mug up the sections, you have to go through the new changes, whatever changes have been made in the new criminal law, then you have to understand those concepts. So that might increase your work, but you were already prepared from the old criminal laws, so you have an advantage over that. Okay, so one person has given the thumbs up. Simran is saying paper was okay, it was not tough. And she was also asking that next year it will be very difficult. Simran, don't worry, we will be discussing all this thing in this session. But for the next year, it won't be that much difficult. You might be getting with some new laws. That is the new criminal laws. You have to go through that. So the new changes coming up in the criminal laws, that you have to go with that. So there are few things which you have to work on apart from the old criminal laws and the old syllabus. Apart from that, it won't be that much difficult. But yes, after seeing the pattern of the other state PSCs and judiciary exam, they have increased the level of the paper. Simran, how was your paper in the first person? The name is not there in the comment section. No Q F4TZ. Please let me know about this paper, how many questions you have attempted, and all that. Other students also who are live with us. Okay, Simran is mentioning that limitation as predicted by Lawsikho काफी अच्छा था. Guys, apart from this, we have run the test series for this West Bengal paper. So our team is working on that also. So we will be giving you like how many questions are directly from our test series and the study material which Lawsikho provide. So that is still counting on, but till now we have surpassed around 55% of the questions are directly from our test series. Yes, yes, I'm waiting. Sorry for the interruption, guys. There was some problem with my laptop. So sorry for the interruption. Yes, guys. Simran is mentioning that many of the questions from our test series. Yes, Simran. The team is working on it, and as I already mentioned, that around 55% questions are directly from our test series. We will be giving you the exact numbers in the due course. Okay, so we have many people now. So we will be starting the session. So just basic information about the paper that we have 200 questions. So apart from Delhi, West Bengal is also 200 question. There is a negative marking also there. Then we have timing that is 2.5 hours. Level of the exam is easy to moderate, and cutoff we will be discussing. So just a basic information about the exam. So whether any student who is appearing for the next year paper, he has plenty good knowledge about the paper. So analysis, if we are talking about the paper is of moderate, it's not very difficult, and the questions are directly from the Bayer Act, like section based. The case laws which are there, that is also not very corner one. Though those are in the tort also. I can see there are case laws that usually don't happen, but in the tort paper we have tort subject we have case laws. In the TP, the Limitation Act, we have directly questions from the sections. And as usual, we say that you have to always mug up with the years, like whatever limitation is prescribed 6 months, 1 year, 30 year, that you have to adhere to that. So, in that, so see, whenever there is an exam, a law exam, when there is GK, English, and aptitude, so there is an a student approaches that to gain more marks in the law part, because in this, let's see, West Bengal we have 130 questions, because the bifurcation of questions is already there, right? So 130 questions are from law and 70 is from GS and this English aptitude everything. So everybody knows that law student have a better edge over law part. So they always try to gain more marks from the law subject. In the GS and GK, aptitude, English, everybody like score in a normal way, right? So like everybody, like there is a difference of only 4 or 5 marks, but in law subject, even 1 mark might be make or break situation, because that is altogether different. In law question, everybody has studied the law in a 5 year or 3 year program. After that, everybody is preparing. But for GK and GS, there is a bit difficulty for having a hand over it, right? Even for me also, being a law student, whenever I study GK or English or aptitude, that is very difficult. But yes, that we also can prepare. So we are doing the analysis of the law portion. So I can say that the law portion is relatively easy. Questions are directly from Bare Act based, section based. If you are go through, if you have a better understanding of the section numbers or the article numbers, so definitely you are able to get over it. Is still here any input from your side which you want to share about the exam, about the difficulty level? Because as per us, it is quite easy to moderate. Simran and another person who have joined us, please let us know about input. Any input which you want to share about this? Anything which you found difficult or out of syllabus, or any question which you want to discuss, that whether this question is correct or not, options given are correct or not. So anything which you want to discuss. Right. Okay. So no problem. We will be dealing with your suggestions in the further session. Next, if we are talking about subject-wise analysis, so again, I am reiterating that because of uh, no new criminal law was asked in this paper, so you can go with the say upward criminal laws. So that is quite. You have gone through the sections and the section language through that. So in CPC questions were direct, CRPC, IPC, they're application based as well. In tort and personal law also, like Hindu law, Muslim law, so that were also quite. In GK, I can say that they have asked the Prime Minister of UK, they have asked a book writer. So GK is bit corner one because it is not easy, I can say. English is fine, current affairs and GK. And aptitude also is fine, there are not that much questions. But yes, GK is not that basic or easy one. So apart from law portion, the 70 marks which you have to gain, that is a cut to cut competition. The person who has good knowledge of GK, current affair, English, aptitude, that he might be able to score good marks. Okay. Then the most awaited section of the people, the cutoff. So guys, cutoff I have catered last 3 years cutoff. This cutoff is for unreserved category. So in 2023 it is 93, in 2021 it is 123, and in 2020 it is 95. It was 95. So what do you say about this here? Because see, cutoff depends on various factors. The number of the seats, the number of applicants, the difficulty level of the paper, many things are there. So you have to tell like how many questions are correct as per you. So after getting these things, there are many factors. After combining that, the cutoff is out. So this year it will be somehow ranging around 2021's cutoff. So it will be around more than 123 to 130 as per me. Because see, the paper is basic, easy, and the only factors which might affect this cutoff, that is the non-law portion. So let us see how many students have faced that. If that is also well doable by the students, then it will be around 125 to 130. Easily, it will be going cutoff like that. Anything which you want to discuss till now? Because cutoff everybody was waiting for. Similar 2023, they have announced another vacancy as well. So that's why in the year of 2023, they have announced two vacancies. One is done and one is happening today. And the 2024 also they have announced vacancy, but now they are conducting it in 2025. Guys, still here? Any suggestions, any input which you want to tell? Because see, cutoff many factors I have already told you. And I know you people are waiting for the cutoff because after getting the cutoff, you will be checking. See, Lawsikho is also giving the answer key. We will be releasing the answer key. So those who are enrolled in the test series, Lawsikho test series, or those who are student of Lawsikho, they will be getting the link of the answer key in the groups. And the people who are new to this channel, they don't have to worry. We will be providing the answer key in the comment section of this video, so you can go through it. You don't have to worry that okay, we are not students of Lawsikho, so how will we getting the answer key? We will be providing the link of the answer key in the comment section. You can access from that. Right? Okay. Then we have the thing which I was talking about earlier, that is the question typing data. We provide a QTS in this. In this, what we do, we check the actual number of questions which have been asked from our test series in the actual paper. So from there, the team, I just now get the data that around 75% of the questions are directly from our test series and the study material which is provided by Lawsikho. Because in study material, we provide the TNA, that is the daily newspaper analysis. Then we have the quizzes for that. Then we have many other material which we provide to the Lawsikho students. Because see, in the West Bengal exam, we have GK, so we have to go through the newspaper and all the current affairs stuff. So we provide that also to the Lawsikho students. So out of 200 question, around 75% questions are directly from our test series and the study material which Lawsikho Judiciary team provides. Guys, I think it is a huge number, and those who have enrolled in this, they have the better understanding that why 75% questions are there. Simran, did you check the number of questions, how many questions you have attempted and how many of them are correct as per your knowledge? Because answer key we will be releasing with in a few moments. Yes, Mahendra sir has helped a lot. Till now, guys, any other thing which you want to discuss? See, paper solving, we are not doing that session because I know you people are just done with the paper and you want the answers, right? So we will be providing the answer key in the comment section, and the students of the Lawsikho can get the access of it through the WhatsApp groups and through the success advisors as well. Okay, guys, then any other thing like, okay, Keshav is asking for the PDF of the paper. Keshav, we will be providing the answer key and even the PDF of the paper as well. Don't worry. So the motive behind the Lawsikho Judiciary team, the intention, the only thing which motivate us, that is this slogan that Jeet Lo Judiciary, which is given by our Judiciary Test Prep Director. So we have started by one states, and now we are catering to all the states who are conducting the judiciary exam. And this slogan "Jeet Lo Judiciary," guys, I think it is aligning with your target as well, because we both have same thing. You have to go to that chair of the becoming a judge, and we provide you a benchmark, a bridge through that you will be able to go to that chair. So we both have to align each other's target and to reach the goal. Our goal is to make you judge, and your goal is to become a judge, right? So all the best, guys, for the mains exam. I think mains will be conducting also very soon. So take the rest today, check the answers. If see that whether you are near about the cutoff, you can start preparing for mains. And if you are not near about the cutoff, you don't have to dishearten. You have 2024 vacancy, and I hope you all people have filled the form of 2024 vacancy. You can start preparing for that. You don't have to dishearten. Okay, I am not qualifying for prelims. Don't worry about it. You have another chance, and this is a golden chance. You know that okay, this I am not qualifying this prelims exam. I have another vacancy right now. I have to start for that. Simran is asking, sir, any comments for upcoming exam in Feb? I think the pattern remains the same. You have new subjects, you have to focus on the new criminal laws because that will be taking the place of the old criminal laws, and you have to be very sound with the new criminal laws because many new punishments are there. If we compare, there is not that much changes, but the section number are changes, chapters are changes, they are interchanged. So you have to mug up all those things. Then you have few new definitions added in the definition clause, so you have to go through that. So that work have been increased. So you have to go through the new criminal laws, and don't worry about it. It won't be that tough, but yes, they are increasing the level of difficulty. So you have to be prepared according to that. Okay, Simran. Guys, any other thing apart from Simran, Keshav? We have no QF40Z. Anything, guys, that you want to discuss? Anything related to the session? See, you have another vacancy also, so you have that thing in your hand. You can start preparing for tomorrow if you think that this exam doesn't went well, or even if this exam went well, you have to prepare for that vacancy as well. You have two chances. Make sure to get best of it. Simran, you can reach out to us through the success advisors or any team person. We will be looking into the classes which you are asking for. We will definitely look into it. We will definitely consider your request. If it is possible, definitely we will be arranging few classes. But that has to be decided. So you can reach out to us and we will let you know what better can be done. Okay, guys, then bye bye. Take care. Have good rest. The exam is done. Now don't worry about it. Just check the answer key and take the rest properly. And then after taking rest, you can start for the mains preparation and the prelims exam of 2024 vacancy.